Hello and welcome to our very last math lesson. We are going to start with calendar. We'll do all of our stuff that includes calendar. Then we will go over our problem of the day from yesterday. Then we're going to practice some three add-in addition. And then we are going to finish with a problem of the day. Are you ready? Okay, let's get started. So yesterday was Thursday. What day of the week does that make today? Yes, it makes it Friday, and it makes it our very last Friday together, which I know is a little sad, but it's also really exciting at the same time. Today is your last math lesson of kindergarten, and then you're on to first grade. You get to go to first grade. That is so exciting. What number is our calendar number for today? What number is that? The 22nd. That is the 22nd. So let's say the calendar together. Ready? Today is Friday, May 22nd. Great job. We are going to add our last sticker today right into that red box that we have been staring at for a few weeks. And let's see what number we are ending our last day on. We are going to count like we normally do since it's our very last time. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 161, 162, 163, 164, 165, 166, 167, 168, 169. That is our number for today. So let's add our last straw in. There we, oh, I missed. Oh, you gonna come steal it, Abby? No, you can't have the straws. 169. We have one group of 100. We have 6 groups of 10, making 60, and 9 ones. When we move over to our base 10 blocks, same idea. We have one group of 100. We have 6 groups of 10, making 60, 100, 60, and we have 9 ones on the bottom, so 169. Perfect. Let's review our problem of the day from yesterday. I made this one kind of hard, didn't I? But I didn't trick any of you. You all did a fantastic job with it. I wasn't able to trick any of you. So here we go. I gave you 4 plus 4 plus 4. So Mrs. Arnold's going to draw a picture because she doesn't have enough fingers for that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to count up my dots. And I should have 12. Our answer is 12. You got 12, fantastic job. So today for math, we are supposed to do dinosaur math today with 3 add-ins. And what we're going to do is we are going to do word problems with 3 add-ins. So you're doing the same thing you've been doing, but we're going to do it with word problems. So Mrs. Arnold's going to move her easel over. Get your fingers ready, or a piece of paper or blocks or whatever you're using to help yourself figure out the answers. And here we go. So let's start with, there were 2 Tyrannosaurus rexes, a Spinosaurus, and 3 pterodactyls. How many dinosaurs are there all together? We're going to say that one more time. There were 2 Tyrannosauruses. Oh, that color doesn't really show. 2 Tyrannosaurus rexes plus and Allosaurus, I think is what I said. Now I'm forgetting. Plus 3 pterodactyls. How much do we have all together? I'll give you a second to solve that problem. If I'm using my fingers, I start with 2. I add 1 more. Then I'm adding 3 more. 1, 2, 3, making how much? 6. Fantastic. Okay, here's our next one. Mrs. Arnold's going to write as she says it this time so she doesn't forget. This time, Mrs. Arnold saw some dinosaurs. She saw 4 velociraptors eating in the grass. Then she saw 2 brachiosauruses eating from the trees. And she saw 1 pterodactyl flying above. How many dinosaurs did she see? How many dinosaurs did she see? Uh-oh, I have to sneeze. Okay, here we go. We started with 4. We add 2 more. 1, 2. And we add 1 more to get 7. If you got a 7, kiss your brain. Okay, here's our next one. Mr. Arnold went out back and he saw dinosaurs. He saw 1 giant T-Rex. He saw 1 giant Spinosaurus. And he saw 5 baby Triceratops. How many dinosaurs did Mr. Arnold see in the backyard? Okay, Mr. Arnold saw 1 Tyrannosaurus, 1 Spinosaurus, and 5 baby Triceratops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's our answer? 7 again. Okay, here's our very last problem. Mrs. Arnold went to school, and playing on the playground were some dinosaurs. She saw 3 brachiosauruses. She saw 3 triceratops. And she saw 5 velociraptors. How many dinosaurs were outside playing on the playground? This one's going to be hard because you don't have enough fingers. I wonder how you're going to solve it. There's a few different ways you could solve this. You could use blocks. You could draw a picture. You can use your fingers and then your brain when you run out of fingers. You can use a doubles fact to help you solve it. So Mrs. Arnold is going to use her fingers and her brain. Are you ready? She starts with 3 plus 3. Well, 3 plus 3 is how much? 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. Plus 5 more. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. I only need one more and I don't have one extra finger. So I'm going to imagine an imaginary finger over here. So I know I have 10 plus my imaginary 1 makes how much? What's 1 more than 10? 11. Mrs. Arnold saw 11 dinosaurs playing on the playground. Okay, well, that is the end of our dinosaur math for today. Your problem of the day for today is a little different than any other problem of the day we've ever had because Mrs. Arnold wants you to create the problem of the day today. I want you to make your own 3 add-in addition problem and solve it. So you can pick any 3 numbers you want, add them together, and write the answer. You get to choose today since it's your last day of kindergarten. So, once again, your problem of the day today is your choice. You get to choose 3 numbers to add together and to write the answer. I can't wait to see your problem of the days. I have loved having you in my class and I hope you enjoyed our dinosaur week. I will see you for one more video for our science video and then we're done. Bye.